In this video, we will discuss exact CAD preparation workflow that guarantees clean, controlled CNC toolpaths for wood carving works. When you prepare a drawing for CNC routing, the CAM software needs clean, continuous, machine-ready lines. But most artwork we receive is meant for display, not machining. It usually contains long polylines, unnecessary joins, overlaps, duplicates, or closed shapes that don't suit CNC. Cutting closed paths behave as profile cuts. Open paths behave as engraving. If you want a single vector engraving, you must open the polyline. And that's where notches come in. So let's clean the drawing first. Type Overkill. Select the entire drawing and press Enter. Overkill removes duplicate lines, overlapping segments, tiny fragments, and zero-length objects. Keep optimized segments within tolerance. Turned on so broken pieces merge into clean, continuous lines. In seconds, the drawing becomes neat and CNC-friendly. Next, use Explode to convert complex polylines into simple lines and arcs wherever required. CAM software works more predictably when your geometry is explicit and not wrapped inside heavy polylines. Now load the wood carving utility pack. Use the app load command and load woodcarving.fas. This pack contains 4 programs. The ones we use now are Internotch, WD, Ply, and UB. To introduce notches, type INTR_NOTCH. Enter the notch width. Enter the number of notches per side, then select the lines and arcs. That's it. Notches are automatically inserted. This gives you full control over tool entry and exit points. If you want an outline boundary around your artwork, type WD. Enter the horizontal margin, vertical margin, and notch width, then select the objects. The program generates a clean outline with notches included. Alternatively, if you already know the ply size, use ply type ply, specify the width, height, notch width, and then select the objects. You get a perfect boundary size to your ply, with notches automatically inserted. Sometimes, you may enter the wrong notch count or wrong dimension. Instead of undoing multiple times, just type UB. It automatically reverses all operations back to the last Lisp command. This saves time and prevents accidental loss of work. Follow this workflow every time. Run Overkill, explode where needed, introduce notches, generate the boundary. This process prevents wrong toolpaths, double cuts, and wasted material. If you'd like to purchase the licensed wood carving program, email cadsuperuser@gmail.com with your contact number and WhatsApp. We'll get in touch and deliver the program. Thank you for watching, and I hope this workflow saves you both time and material on every CNC job.